Samsung just did something absolutely insane. They dropped the Galaxy Z Trifold, and yes, it's a phone that folds not once, but twice. I got some early hands-on time, so let me give you the super quick rundown before your brain short-circuits. First, the unboxing. The box is massive. Way bigger than the one for the Fold 7. And get this, Samsung actually included a charger this time. Miracles do happen. You also get the usual paperwork and even a case right in the box, which is a nice touch. Now the phone itself, closed, it looks like a standard premium Samsung phone. You've got a gorgeous 6.5-inch or 120Hz cover display that gets incredibly bright. But the magic happens when you open it, and open it again. 2 folds, 3 screens, creating one massive 10-inch display. It feels like you're holding a legitimate tablet. When it's unfolded, it's incredibly thin, just 3.9 millimeters. But folded up, it is a bit of a chunker at 12.9 millimeters, and it's noticeably heavier than the Fold 7. But hey, that's the price you pay for carrying a 10-inch tablet in your pocket. The build quality is top-notch. Armor aluminum, a new dual-rail hinge, and an IP48 rating for water resistance. Oh, and if you try to fold it the wrong way, the phone literally vibrates aggressively to tell you to stop. A quick heads up though. There's no flex mode like on the other folds. It's either fully open or fully closed. No laptop-style setups. But the upside is the main flexible screen is always protected when it's closed, which is a huge win for durability. Once it's open, it's pure tablet mode. This thing is a beast for multitasking, watching videos or gaming. And for the first time ever, Samsung DeX is built right into the foldable itself. Slap on a kickstand case, connect a mouse and keyboard, and you have a full desktop experience on that 10-inch screen without needing an external monitor. It's running Android 16 with One UI 8, and Samsung is promising 7 years of updates. Running 3 apps side by side finally makes sense on a screen this big. As for the cameras, they're the same solid setup as the Fold 7, so great, but not quite S25 Ultra level. Performance is handled by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, paired with 16 gigs of RAM. And the battery? It's the biggest Samsung has ever put in a foldable at 5,600 mAh, but that giant screen is definitely going to be thirsty. Now for the price. It's launching in Korea first for around $2,500, so expect it to be closer to 3,000 when it hits the States. Yeah, it's a lot of money. This isn't for everyone. This is absolutely it. Thanks for watching.